Yes guys, it's here. This is the most unexpected video you've probably ever seen, but today, in my last week of my important cars news, I was showing off this Ramone, not in pictures because I didn't know how to then, but now I've got this Ramone and it's arrived all the way from China. This is a factory custom before anyone starts. Today I'll be reviewing this Ramone. So yeah, the fan favourites. What is actually wrong with this series? I mean, some cars were seen in the movie, like Sarge wasn't really seen in the movie, and then there was, like, who was seen in the movie, like Luigi and Guido, I don't think they were. Sheriff, I don't think he was. Maddie McGee, she was seen in the movie, but, I mean, it's just a strange series. I mean, fine, I guess, more diecast, and especially if they're factory custom diecast too. So yeah, not too long ago, there is this also factory custom / cancel, because this was actually supposed to get released, whereas this one wasn't. Ramone, and of course, at the time we didn't know if it was going to be a factory custom or a cancelled. But yeah, we can see now that this one is a factory custom. But of course, it's got no date stamp here, as you can see. I paid £10 for this one at the time, and I also paid, I believe, like £18 for this one, because I really wanted it as soon as possible, and it's just a cool factory custom. So yeah, let's start off this review of this Ramone. So, we've got the Dinoco on the front, a bit like the diecast here, as you can see. Now this is actually the one made in Vietnam, I believe, so we will compare the difference too. But yeah, we've got Dinoco on the front. We also got this yellow stripe going back to the hood here on the window. The window is different than the normal diecast. Of course, we've got the back here too. On the side, we've got 51 Cruz Ramirez and this stripe going across. Exactly the same on the diecast here, but of course this one is the hydraulic version. The rims do look to be a bit different, as you can see. Focuses. So yeah, anyways, here is the back. We've got the regular license plate, which reads low and slow, which is really cool. For some reason my W is a bit messed up. But yeah, there's the back. We've got the usual rear lights, and of course the suspension. Because like I said, this is made in China, and of course there'll be no date stamp, because it is a factory custom. So yeah, what are your thoughts on this Ramone? Just comparing him again now to the regular release. There we go, made in Vietnam, you might be able to see. A bit of focus. Come on, focus, there we go. As you can see, let's flip it up this way. Made in Vietnam, so it is this one's made in Vietnam, and this one is in fact made in China. So I really do like this series, and it's one of my favourite series out there so far. And just to compare the packaging, I do have a Ramone as well. Of course, it came with this little oil can, which I didn't bring out because it's literally pointless. Yep, really cool paint job, one of my favourite all-time Ramones. Of course, I do have a made in Vietnam one too here. So now, what I'm going to do is quickly compare it to the old other Ramone, this one, which was also released from China as a factory custom. The window does seem to be a bit different. Really cool. But yeah, well, let me know your thoughts on this Ramone. This Ramone seems to roll that bit better than this one. That's just because mine's factory custom and they'll all be different. So yeah, now I bring out my fan favourites collection. So we've got Luigi and Guido here. Some of the pretty cool rare ones. We've got Flo next to Ramone here, which is even cool, and we got regular Ramone. This is just my open package collection. I don't have much. We've got Sarge in the background. We also do have ones like Cruz, which came with this bonus tool cart, which is pretty cool, which I do like. As I do drop one on the floor, but it's not exactly that important. We do have Sheriff here. There's also this mate with the hat. It's not going to stay, isn't it? I'll just put it in here. And we do also have Maddie McGee with the 95 hat. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this quick review. Of course, this is unscheduled, so I wanted to get this out ASAP. So let me know your thoughts on this factory custom Ramone here.
And if you're new, please make sure to leave a like, dislike if you dislike, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification button down below for more content coming soon. To the next one, peace.